Good morning, Bulldogs. This video is a reference video you will use this week. We are working on parts of speech and the types of sentences. So this one, it will be in your tabs under your week at a glance. When you need it, you can go back to it. I will refer to it. And then if you need it when we're doing any assignments, I will link it to your assignments. Right now, I'm just going to go over the parts of speech first. Okay, remember there are 8 parts of speech. You have a noun, which is a person, place, thing, animal, or idea. Some examples of that are dad, school, dog, and love. You have a verb, which is an action word. Examples are jumping, running, and dancing. You have a pronoun that takes place of the noun. So instead of saying Jason ran to the school, you would say he ran to the school. An adjective is a word that helps describe a noun or a pronoun. For example, you have beautiful, huge, and green. An adverb is a word that helps describe a verb. It tells how and when the verb happened. Carefully, quickly, and angrily are examples of those. An article, there are only 3 of these in the English language, and they are a, and the. A conjunction, it connects words, phrases, or clauses. These are your fanboys: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Preposition, words that indicate location or relation to an object. Examples: above, around, under, and beside. I'll call those squirrel words. If a squirrel can do it to a tree, it can run, it can be above it, it can run around it, it can be under it, and it can be beside it. So those are your 8 parts of speech. We're going to focus mainly on nouns and verbs this week, and we'll move on to the other ones, but I want you to know all 8. The other thing we're going to look at today is your types of sentences. There are 4 types of sentences. Declarative is your first type. These sentences make statements. They end with a period. For example, Marco Polo was born in 1254. Interrogative, these sentences ask questions. They end with a question mark. Example, did you know he was a famous world traveler to the Far East? Imperative is your third type. These sentences make commands or requests. They can end in a period or an exclamation point, depending on the urgency of the demand. Example, read his biography. Or, come on, read his biography. Exclamatory, these sentences express strong feelings and they end in exclamation points. For example, he had some extraordinary adventures. These will be under your week at a glance. If you need them to refer back to during assignments this week, I will also attach them if we need them for the assignment. This is just a bit of information you're going to need for some things we're doing later on during the week. Have a good day.